Flashback. End of Flashback.
So I managed to get the sled running, drove it around the yard, and I had an issue with the chain here. Then all the snow melted, and now it's stuck in the middle of the yard. So I'm hoping I can throw some wheels on it, get it driving, and drive it around back to the shed.
Oh! Ho, ho, ho! Contraption! She's contrapting!
Let's see what we can do.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
So let's take the wheels, hubs, and ball joints from the ATV we get the motor from and attach them to a wide enough front axle adding a top pivot point and adding bolt holes so we can bolt it to the space of the front bumper. Now let's take off the skis, bolt on the improvised front axle, hook it up to the steering, now let's test her out. Well, it worked. The chain is a little bit rough, needs to be tightened, but other than that, it actually worked to get it back to the shed. So, if you liked watching this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Check out some of these other videos, like this is the 4-stroke snowjet project that I've been working on for a couple of years now, actually. Give that a watch, and then watch some of these other videos up here, and I'll catch you guys next time.